Welcome to Is Safepal Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Safepal Wallet and its features are provided in the description below. Safepal is a versatile and highly secure cryptocurrency wallet designed for both novice and experienced crypto users. It offers a comprehensive ecosystem with hardware, mobile, and browser wallet options, enabling users to manage, trade, and secure their digital assets seamlessly. Safepal is known for supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for users with diverse portfolios. Safepal's hardware wallet stands out for its offline functionality and air-gap design, meaning it never directly connects to the internet. This eliminates exposure to online threats like hacking. Transactions are processed using encrypted QR codes, ensuring maximum security. For users who prefer a more accessible option, the Safepal mobile wallet provides a user-friendly interface and supports over 50 blockchains and thousands of tokens, including NFTs. One of Safepal's strongest features is its integration with Safepal Swap and Safepal Earn. Through the wallet, users can exchange cryptocurrencies effortlessly and participate in staking opportunities directly from the app. Additionally, Safepal is compatible with popular decentralized applications, DApps, allowing users to interact with DeFi protocols, trade on decentralized exchanges, and even manage NFTs. From a security perspective, Safepal employs industry-standard measures such as encrypted private keys, seed phrase backup, and two-factor authentication, 2FA. For hardware wallet users, the self-destruct mechanism adds another layer of protection, erasing sensitive data if tampering is detected. This ensures that users retain full control over their assets while safeguarding them from potential breaches. Safepal Wallet is an excellent choice for users who prioritize security without sacrificing convenience. It's well-suited for crypto enthusiasts seeking a reliable way to manage multi-chain assets, participate in DeFi, or securely store NFTs. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or already immersed in the blockchain world, Safepal provides the tools you need to keep your investments safe and accessible. Check the links in the description to explore more and decide if Safepal aligns with your crypto goals.